Yo guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be going over on how you guys can make money online, and these are some of the best methods that I currently do know for 2024, and most of them don't involve doing any side hustles or anything complicated, or having to spend money up front, or having some experience in some side hustle or anything like that. These are all completely legit and working methods. But real quick before I do get into any of them, I would like to mention, if you guys would like to win $100 from me, which I'm giving it to 5 people, all you have to do is watch this entire video without any skipping, go ahead and subscribe to my channel with all notifications, drop a like on this video, share it with 5 more people, and comment your Cash App username 10 times down below, and you guys will be entered, and so you guys can win $100 from me on Cash App, and I'm doing that for the 5 people. So make sure you guys just watch this entire video without any skipping. But now guys, let's get right into the main part of today's tutorial, which is how you guys can go ahead and make money online inside of 2024. And so guys, what you want to go ahead and do this is you simply just want to go to this one will be in the pinned comment, guys. So go to the pinned comment for this first link. I'm going to be going over 3 different methods, okay, that you guys can do in this video, and I'll be explaining them all as we go. And 2 of them are very, very simple. One of them is complicated, although the complicated one will make you the most money, to be honest. And so what you guys want to go ahead and do is you guys simply just want to go to, this will be the pinned comment, guys. So go to the pinned comment on this video. It's going to ask, do you want to leave YouTube? Click on yes, so you guys can open up this link. But you guys have to answer 3 basic questions. So basically just click through it. Do you use cash? Yes. Keep it. And just answer these basic questions, guys. And once you guys do get through that, it's going to ask you to sign up. And what you guys have to do is you want to put in your actual email address so it can send you the gift card if you guys do go ahead and win. And I promise it's not going to do anything bad. It's not going to hack you or anything. All you guys have to go and do is you got to put in your email. And so I'm going to put in my email now. Now after you guys go ahead and put in your email, then you have to put in shipping information. It's not going to ask for like any bank account or any credit card information. Just so you guys know, it doesn't scam you or anything like that, because I know this website does look kind of spammy. But it's not going to scam you guys. No credit card, no bank account is needed. And then we just have to go through and fill this out. So I'll get right back to you guys after I go ahead and do that. Now, once you guys do go ahead and enter in all your information, it's going to take you to the survey thing. And all you guys want to go and do for this is you guys want to skip the survey right here. No thank you again. And once you guys get through all of that, you will be on the final page, which will be on deals. So we've done surveys, we've done optional offers, and now you guys will be on deals. So what you guys want to go ahead and do here is you basically just want to go ahead and complete all the free deals. So it's going to say your cost is $0 for some of these. Complete all of the ones that say your cost is $0 and then click on continue. And just keep on doing all of the ones that say your cost is $0 and just keep on clicking on continue over and over and over again. And you guys can eventually, as you guys complete awards, if you complete 25, you can claim $1,000 reward, and as you guys can see, you can cash them out. Now I'm going to be going over drop shipping, but I want to make this clear: you cannot drop ship unless if you guys know marketing, which to help you market with drop shipping, you need to use viral ecom ads, and thank you to them for sponsoring this video. If you guys go to, I think it'll be the first or second link in the description, I'll be all at the top, you guys will see my referral link, and you guys can go ahead and use my referral link and also use discount code Drucker at checkout for 15% off. And when you guys buy their ads, they will make an ad for the product, which I'll get into how you guys can even do all that sort of stuff in this link. But simply, guys, they will make you an ad or the package for the thing, like 4 ads, and then you guys can do a single one. We could do a TikTok split testing package, and as you see, you guys can do any of these ads, and they have the highest quality ads on the market. And also, they're willing to revise it. They're super flexible, and they have quick turnaround time. Especially if you become one of their VIPs, you guys can get the best prices possible and get the best marketing possible for your dropshipping store, which I'll go over that in a second and how you guys can fully dropship. The best thing about their ads is honestly the extremely high conversion rate, because they convert extremely well, and I mean that seriously. Like, their conversion rate is insane. You guys will be getting sales left and right if you guys use their ads, and I mean that truly from the bottom of my heart. And also, if you guys normally get banned for using ads, or you have any problems with running ads, or you just don't want to have any of those annoyances that you would normally get making your own ads, then they will sort all of that out for you. They are basically your one-stop shop for any e-commerce ads you guys will need. And as you see, they have so many good options, and they can cater to you and exactly what you need and what you want for your ad anyways. And so I highly recommend using them. They're the best way to do marketing when it comes to e-commerce. If you guys are interested, check the link in the description and use code Drucker at checkout to get 15% off, and use my referral link, which will all be in the description. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video. But now I'm going to go over how you guys can actually do drop shipping, because that is why you guys are here, because you guys want to make money. I said most of the things at the start of this video are not side hustles. This is the one that is, because this is the one that can make you the most money. And so what you guys want to go and do, you guys can get a full dropshipping course, which is 18 hours. It's not an upsell. It's not some stupid course. It's horrible. This is an actual really high quality, well composed course, which will have this in the description too. The Cash App link will be in the pinned comment, although these two things will be in the description. So now what you guys want to go to do is you want to click on go to destination on this link. It's going to ask you to visit this website, and just visit it for a second and just scroll around. And after you guys go in and do that, it's simply just going to let you move on, and I'm going to show you how you guys can get access to this course, because let's be honest, I know not all of you guys are dropshipping wizards. I'm not even one myself, although I know enough on how to run an e-commerce store. And once you guys have done that, click on go to destination right here, and you guys want to scroll down and click on access link. You guys want to wait 10 seconds, and then after you guys go and do that, it's going to let you go on. So 3, 2, 1, and then we can simply just click on access. And then what you guys have to do is you have to install 2 of these programs, like Opera GX. Oh yeah, I don't have to do 1, that's crazy. So you have to install Opera GX or something like that. There's like a browser extension. These are very easy things to do. They're all free 100%. And after you guys go in and do one of them, you can click on go to destination, and you guys can get the 18-hour dropshipping course, which is completely free, and it's actually really well done. So shout out to the guy that made it. I don't know his name, but yeah, it's really well done. And it goes to his YouTube video, which is monetized, so I'm not stealing his content or anything. But now, guys, for the third and final method, which there's dropshipping for you. This course has all the information you need, and Viral Ecom Ads has all of the marketing you guys need. And with those two tools combined, you can dropship flawlessly. It's a lot. I'm not going to get into lots of dropshipping tactics in this video, because this course explains it way better than I ever will be able to. But now, guys, for the final method, this is something called Sweatcoin. And to actually go in and do this, guys, you have to get on this. You have to get this on your phone, and you guys have to install it from the link in my description. If you guys do not install from the link in my description, you guys will not get bonus coin, which is basically just you'll get a bonus if you guys install from the link in my description. And so go ahead and get from the link in my description. I'll probably the third link, maybe the second. I have no clue. It'll be in the description though. The only link that will be in the pinned comment is the Cash App link. That won't be in the description. But what you guys want to go ahead and do is you want to go to it, and you guys will get paid for just moving and stepping around, which is actually pretty insane. And as you guys do it, you guys will get paid, and it's super easy because you just have to walk. And if you walk already, which if you're a human, of course you damn walk. And so if you guys just use it whenever you're walking, the money will start to accumulate, and you guys can make the money off of it. Yeah, so this is the link, guys, right here, coin SHDW. So go to that link, guys, on your phone, and you guys can install the app. You'll get a bonus, and you guys can get paid for just walking. So you'll earn extra money when doing something you would already be doing for free. So that's how you guys can do that. But thank you guys for watching this video all the way until the end. I do really appreciate it. And make sure you guys sub, drop a like, share this video with as many people as possible, enable all notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks and goodbye.